Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something very simple. What I'm going to prepare pak choi with mixed vegetable and rice. It's a very simple dish. You can do this within 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Alright, so here what I want you to do, just sit back, relax and enjoy. Like, share and subscribe and let's go. Come on. Alright guys, I went ahead and started the process of cooking the rice with the mixed vegetable by using my rice cooker. As you can see right now, it's in the process of cooking. So I just set that and forget it, so it's just doing what it's supposed to do. Here am I starting the process of washing my seasoning and carrot to cut it up. And here am I cutting up now my seasoning with my carrot to start the process of my pak choi. rice cooker is doing exactly how I like my rice to be done. Just look at that, guys. It's coming all good together. Almost ready. Guys, I recommend you get a rice cooker. It's very efficient. This is very important, guys. When you're washing your pak choi, any vegetable at all that has anything to do with chemical added to it to preserve it, I recommend you wash it in baking soda. Now I've started my process of cleaning up my pak choi to put it in the water. So what I'm doing right now is cutting off the ends to separate them in singles, put them in the baking soda to wash them thoroughly. Guys, when you're washing your pak choi, make sure that you wash it thoroughly to get out all the dirt and everything and anything that's attached to it. Very important. As you see right here now, guys, I started the process of slicing up all my pak choi to start cooking. And now, guys, it's cooking time. My season has been frying for about 2 minutes. So now I'm adding the pak choi to the season to start cooking. Guys, I want to thank you for watching the vlog this far, and if you haven't done it already, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Truly appreciate the love and support from you guys. As you see right here, guys, the pak choi is a lot, but don't worry, it will shrink eventually. See, guys, it's already starting to shrink after a few minutes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start add my powder seasoning to it. I'm going to add some all-purpose, I'm going to add some black pepper, and then I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper as well, you know, to give it some flavor. And then after that, I'm gonna add some garlic butter to it. Alright guys, see, also I already added my carrots to the pak choi as well. So what I'm doing right now is stirring it to make sure it's cooked evenly. Looking really good. Almost ready. Remember, this is a quick meal. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and leave your feedback in the comment section and tell me what you think. Right now what I'm doing, I'm giving it a taste test to see if it tastes alright so far. Yeah, we're almost there. After tasting it, I noticed that it needed some black pepper, so I added a little bit more black pepper. So now it's ready. And here is the finished product, guys, and presentation of my pak choi with carrot and mixed vegetable and rice. Remember to like, share and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on my next upload video. Alright? See you soon, guys. Be blessed. Good day.